Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for mathematics, class 3rd, chapter 4, measuring weight. This is our lecture number 2. Topics to be covered: addition in measures of weight. Exercise 4B. Now we will solve exercise 4B in maths book. Question number 1 at part A. In part A, given question is in the book 1123 kilogram 000 gram plus 492 किलोग्राम 000 ग्राम. हमें इनको क्या करना है? Add. Let's start. 0 plus 0 0. We will write 0 here. 0 plus 0 0. We will write 0 here. 0 plus 0 0. Write 0 here. Now 3 plus 2 5. We will write 5 here. 2 plus 9 11. 11 का आप यहाँ 1 लिखोगे और कैरी यू हैव टू राइट हेयर अबव 1. 1 के ऊपर आप 1 कैरी लगा दोगे. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus carry 1 6. Right 6 here. 1 plus 0 1. Right 1 here. Now our answer is 1615 kilogram. See, this is our answer. 1615 kilogram. Now we will solve part B. In part B, given question is this. This question also you have to solve in your maths book. Okay, 27 kilogram 356 gram plus 72 kilogram 653 gram. Let's start addition. 6 plus 3 9. Write 9 here. 5 plus 5 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 here. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus carry 1 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 here above 7. यहाँ आप 1 कैरी लगा दोगे. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus carry 1 10. Write 0 here and write carry here above 2. 2 के ऊपर 1 कैरी लगा दोगे. Now 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus carry 1 10. Write 10 here. Now our answer is 100 kilogram 9 gram. Understood? Now we will solve exercise 4B in maths book. Question number 1, add part C. In part C, given question is this: 1053 kilogram 298 gram plus 126 kilogram 90 gram. Okay, let's start addition. 8 plus 0 8. We will write 8 here. 9 plus 9 18. We will write 8 here and carry 1 here above 2. 2 plus 0 2 plus carry 1 3. We will write 3 here. Now 3 plus 6 9. We will write 9 here. 5 plus 2 7. Write 7 here. 0 plus 1 1. Write 1 here. Here 1 is written, below 1 there is no digit, so we will put a 0 here. 1 plus 0 1, right? 1 here. Our answer is 1179 kilogram 388 gram. Now we will solve part D in maths book, and given question is this. We have to add, हमें ऐड करना है किसको? 65 किलोग्राम 700 ग्राम 00 किलोग्राम एंड 560 ग्राम. इनको हमने प्लस करना है. 0 plus 0, 0, we will write 0 here. 0 plus 6, 6, write 6 here. 7 plus 5, 12, write 2 here and carry 1 here above 5. Okay, 5 plus 0, 5 plus carry 1, 6, right? 6 here. 6 plus 0, 6. We will write 6 here. Our answer is 66 kilogram, 260 gram. Clear? Now beta, in exercise 4B, question number 2, find the sum. सम मीन्स हमें क्या निकालना है, सम निकालना है. सम मीन्स ऐड, प्लस करना है हमें. A 56 kilogram 350 gram, comma 41 kilogram 610 gram and 7 kilogram 26 gram. हमें इनका क्या निकालना है, सम. मीन्स हमें इनको ऐड करना है. ओके. So beta, first of all, we will write these two given units. किलोग्राम, ग्राम. पहले हम ये यूनिट लिखेंगे, फिर हम उन यूनिट्स के नीचे उनके नंबर्स लिखेंगे. ओके बेटा, दिस इज 56 किलोग्राम 350 ग्राम. ये हमारी फर्स्ट लाइन है. दिस इज आवर सेकेंड लाइन, 41 kilogram 610 gram, and this is our third line, 7 kilogram 26 gram. Okay, first of all we will write units, kilogram, gram. Now we will write given numbers at their places. Here in 56 kilogram 350 gram, we will write 56 at kilogram place, 350 at gram place. Now we will put a plus sign here. Okay, here in 41 kilogram 610 gram, we will write 41 at kilogram place and 610 at gram place. And in 7 kilogram 26 gram, we will write 7 here at kilogram place and 26 here at gram place. Before writing down this number 7 kilogram 26 gram at their places, we will put plus sign here again. Now we will write 7 here at kilogram place and 26 here at gram place. Now we will add them. अब इनको ऐड करेंगे और इनका क्या निकालेंगे, सम. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 6, 6. Write 6 here. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. We will write 8 here. Now we will add 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. We will write 9 here. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. We will write 4 here and carry 1 here above. 5 के ऊपर हम 1 carry लगा देंगे. Okay, now we will add 5 plus 9. Here below 4 there is no digit, so we will put a 0 here. 9 plus 0, 9 plus carry 1, 10. We will write 10 here. So our answer is 104 kilogram 986 gram. Clear? Now beta, in exercise 4B, we will solve question number 2. Find the sum. Part B. 156 gram, comma 87 kilogram, 705 gram and 5 kilogram 2 gram. Okay, हमें इनको क्या करना है, ऐड करना है. Clear बेटा? Here two units are given, kilogram and gram. First of all we will write these given units, kilogram, gram. Now we will write the given numbers at their places. Here number is there 156 gram. So we will write 156 at gram place. Now we will put a plus sign here. Okay, here in 87 kilogram, 705 gram, we will write 87 at kilogram place, 705 at gram place. In 5 kilogram, 2 gram, we will write 5 here at kilogram place and 2 here at gram place. Before writing down these numbers, we have to put plus sign here. Okay, now we will write 5 at kilogram place and 2 at gram place. Now we will add them. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. Write 3 here and carry 1 here above 5. यहाँ पे 1 carry लगा देंगे. 5 plus 0, 5. Here below 0, there is no digit, so we will write 0 here. 5 plus 0, 5 plus carry 1, 6. We will write 6 here. Now, 1 plus 7, 8. Here below 7, there is no digit, so we will put 0 here. 8 plus 0, 8. We will write 8 here. Here there is no digit, so we will put 0 here. 0 plus 7, 7 plus 5, 12. Write 2 here and carry 1 here. Okay. Now, here there is no digit, so we will put 0 here. 0 plus 8, 8. Here below 8, there is no digit, so we will put 0 here. 8 plus 0, 8 plus carry 1, 9. Write 9 here. Our answer is 92 kilogram, 863 gram. Clear? Now, in exercise 4B, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, add the following. हमें इनको क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. पार्ट ए 246 किलोग्राम, 397 ग्राम प्लस 84 किलोग्राम, 400 ग्राम प्लस 72 किलोग्राम, 110 ग्राम. हमने इनको ऐड करना है. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट दीज टू गिवन यूनिट्स, kilogram and gram. Now we will write the given numbers at their places. Here in 246 kilogram, 397 gram, we will write 246 at kilogram place, 397 at gram place, and we will put plus sign here. Okay, now this 84 we will write at kilogram place and 400 we will write at gram place. Okay, now we will put plus sign here again. Now this 72 we will write here at kilogram place and 110 at gram place. Now we will add them. अब हम इनको ऐड करेंगे. 7 plus 0 7 plus 0 7. We will write 7 here. 9 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 here above 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus carry 1, 9. Write 9 here. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Write 2 here. Okay. And carry 1 here above 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19 plus carry 1, 20. Write 0 here and carry 2 here above 2. 2 के ऊपर हम 2 carry लगा देंगे. Okay. Now here 2 is written. Below 2 there is no digit. So we will write 0 here. 2 plus 0, 2. Here 0, there is no digit. So we will write 0 here. 2 plus 0, 2 plus carry 2. है ना? 2 में 2 प्लस करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 4. राइट, 4 here. Our answer is 402 kilogram, 907 gram. Okay. Now today's homework is do exercise 4B, question number 2. Find the sum part C And question 3, add the following part B. You have to solve the sums. अब मैं क्वेश्चन लिख रही हूँ नीचे. क्वेश्चन 2, फाइंड द सम. कौन सा पार्ट दिया है मैम ने फाइंड द सम में? पार्ट सी. 94 kilogram, 129 gram, comma 140 kilogram and 85 kilogram 20 gram. Question number 3, as I had assigned in homework, add the following. कौन सा पार्ट दिया है मैम ने? पार्ट बी. पार्ट बी 27 kilogram, 155 gram plus 18 kilogram plus 607 gram plus 10 kilogram 2 gram. You have to solve these two sums in your maths notebook carefully. Okay. Now beta, we will discuss homework solution which I had assigned in the previous lecture. Exercise 4A, question 1, fill in the blanks. Parts A to F. Okay, you had to solve these parts in your maths book. ये आपको मैम ने किस में सॉल्व करने के लिए दिया था होमवर्क? मैथ्स की बुक में. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस दैट होमवर्क. एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन, नाउ जस्ट यू हैव टू क्रॉस चेक. पार्ट ए, 2 kilogram equal to dash multiply by dash gram equal to dash gram. Here beta, in part A with the given number bigger unit is written, that is kilogram. और जब भी गिवन नंबर के साथ किलोग्राम होता है, बिगर यूनिट होता है, तो हम गिवन नंबर को वी ऑलवेज मल्टीप्लाई द गिवन नंबर बाय 1000. ओके, सो वी विल राइट हियर 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 ग्राम इक्वल टू, जब आप 2 को 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 2000 ग्राम. हेयर इन 1000 देयर आर 3 zeros, तो आप इस 2 के साथ 3 0 लगा दोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 2000 ग्राम. मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 ग्राम इक्वल टू 2000 ग्राम. Now part B, 5 kilogram 265 gram equal to dash gram plus 265 gram equal to dash gram. In part B beta, there are 2 units. Part B में 2 units हैं, किलोग्राम और ग्राम. Okay, with the first number given unit is kilogram. Okay, this is bigger unit, तो 5 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 1000 से. Why? Because 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay, 5 multiplied by 1000 gram equal to 5000 gram. Okay, so the next given number with gram is 265. तो 5000 ग्राम में हम 265 ग्राम को प्लस कर देंगे. See, here what will we write here? 5 multiplied by 1000 gram equal to 5000 gram plus 265 ग्राम. अब इस 265 ग्राम को 5000 में हम ऐड करेंगे. See, 5000 plus 265. 0 plus 5, 5, write 5 here. 0 plus 6, 6, write 6 here. 0 plus 2, 2, write 2 here. Here 5 is written, below 5 there is no digit, so we will put 0 here. 5 plus 0, 5, write 5 here. So our answer is 5265. So we will write this answer here in the blank, 5265. Have you cross-checked? Now beta, in homework solutions, now we will discuss part C. 9 kilogram, 167 gram equal to dash gram plus dash gram equal to dash gram. Understood beta? Here with 9 kilogram is written. This is bigger unit. जब भी गिवन नंबर के साथ बिगर यूनिट होता है तो हम उस गिवन नंबर को क्या करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं फॉर्मूला से. सो हेयर विच फॉर्मूला वी विल राइट, 1 किलोग्राम इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. तो हम 9 को 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 equal to 9000. So in the first fill up we will write 9000. Okay, so next given number is 167 and with this given number gram is written. तो हम 9000 में 167 को add कर देंगे. Okay, now we will add here 9000 plus 167. 0 plus 7, 7, write 7 here. 0 plus 6, 6, write 6 here. 0 plus 1, 1, write 1 here. Here 9 is written, below 9 there is no unit, so we will write 0 here. 9 plus 0, 9. We will write 9 here. So our answer is 9167. We will write this answer here in the blank. Clear? Have you cross-checked? Now we will discuss part D. 4860 gram equal to dash kilogram dash gram. Here beta with the given number smaller unit is written. तो हम 4860 को क्या करेंगे, 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Okay, now see here in the given number 4860, इसमें हम लास्ट के 3 डिजिट नंबर से पहले एक पॉइंट लगा देंगे. ओके, तो 860 जो लास्ट के 3 डिजिट हैं ये हमारे कौन से नंबर होंगे, दैट विल बी आर ग्राम प्लेस नंबर्स एंड रिमेनिंग इज किलोग्राम प्लेस नंबर. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. 4860 में जो लास्ट के 3 नंबर्स हैं वो हमारे ग्राम के नंबर हैं और रिमेनिंग और जो बच गया है इसमें वो हमारा किलोग्राम का नंबर होगा. क्लियर बेटा? सो वी विल रिमेनिंग number is 4, so we will write 4 here at kilogram place and 860 at gram place. Clear? Now we will discuss part E. 2895 gram equal to dash kilogram dash gram. Same as you have done in part D, same here we will do in part E. Here in part E with the given number smaller unit is written. Now we will divide this given number by 1000. Why? Smaller unit is gram. We have to move smaller to greater unit. Okay, greater unit is kilogram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. But here we will write reverse formula. 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, and we will divide this given number by 1000. तो हम क्या करेंगे, लास्ट के जो 3 नंबर है 895 ये हमारे ग्राम के नंबर होंगे. वी विल राइट दीज 3 नंबर्स 895 at gram place and remaining at kilogram place. Remaining कौन सा है, कौन सा नंबर हमारा बच गया, 2. So we will write 2 here at kilogram place and 895 at gram place. Clear beta? Now here in part F, 6 kilogram equal to dash multiply by dash gram equal to dash gram. Part F में given number is 6 and with 6 unit kilogram is written and it is greater unit. So we will multiply this 6 by 1000. Okay, so in the first fill up we will write 6 multiply by 1000. Okay, जब आप 6 को 1000 से multiply करोगे तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा, 6000. So we will write 6000 here in this blank. Clear? Understood beta? Have you cross checked? Very good.